Good morning, student. Welcome to hashtag Maths Adda. My name is Master Rakesh. This is a question in front of you. This is the numerical ability questions. Question is like this: you are flying to America 156 days after tomorrow. Okay. If the third day before yesterday was 20th August, what is the date of your departure to America? Okay. So there are basically if it is today, so it was yesterday, today, then it will be tomorrow. Okay, so yesterday, today, tomorrow, it's like that. You are flying to America 156 days after tomorrow. Tomorrow plus 156 days, you will be flying after tomorrow 156. Means if you will include tomorrow means one day plus 156 day means total 157 days. After 157 days means today you are here today. So after 157 days you will be flying to America. So it is saying if the third day before yesterday before third day, 3 days means 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 days here, 3 days. Okay, so to 3 days this one, yesterday 1 day this one, total how many days? 4 days. So third day before yesterday was 20th August. So 20th August in 4 days, it means today is 24th August. If today is 24th August, after 157 days you will be flying. So now you have to count the 157 days after today. Up see, this is the month of August. Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August. August is 31. Okay. So today is 24th. So how many days left in the August to complete this month? 31 का महीना जाता है, 24 ऑलरेडी हो गई. सो 7 डेज इन अगस्त, सितंबर 30th, अक्टूबर 31, नवंबर 30, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर अगेन 31. सो यू एड ऑल दिस, कितना हो रहा है? 7, 1, 8, 1, 9. Okay, 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12, 129 days. Okay, 129 days already it is completing till 31st December. Till 31st December, 129 days completed. So after how many days it is being flying from today? 157 days. So 157 minus 129 days. We are counting for January. Okay, so 7 minus 7, 20, so 28 to 28 days. So 28th days of January he will be flying. So means 28 January, 28th January he will be flying to America, because December 31st how itna days. So remaining 28 days will go in January. So January 28 days to 28th days will be 28th of January. So this is the departure of America on the particular this is the particular person's departure of America on 28th. So do like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you very much for watching our channel.